Hello there, future geniuses! I'm Professor Elias Quantum, and I'm going to make physics easy peasy for you! Now I'm going to show you the laziest apple in the world!
Look at this apple. It's so lazy.
Watch. If we apply an external force, see? It stayed at rest until I applied force. Now I'm going to show you what happens when something is already moving.
To the ramp we go. Ah, there it is. Perfect. Let's get you ready. Up you go to the top. There we go. Ready for the test. On you and God.
See? Once it was moving, it kept going. That's Newton's first law. An object in motion stays in motion. Now I'm going to show you what happens with a toy car that's already moving.
Now let's check what happens when something is already moving or not.
See? Once it started moving, it kept going until something stopped it. That's Newton's first law. An object in motion stays in motion. Now I'm going to show you what can stop a moving object.
We saw how things keep moving, but what stops them?
I killed it. A moving object stays in motion. Okay, dann furnace stay. Now I'm going to show you the difference between a light object and a heavy one.
Today we'll see who is lazier, the light one or the heavy one. Nah? Huh?
The heavier the object, the more it resists changes. This is inertia, and it depends on mass. Now I'm going to show you what happens when a moving object suddenly meets an obstacle.
Inertia is everywhere in real life. Even I can't escape it sometimes.
Time!
Left thy bringing axis! That's inertia. An object in motion stays in motion until something stops it. Even professors aren't safe from Newton's first law.
Now we're going to space. Let's see what happens with inertia where there's almost no friction. We saw inertia on Earth, but what happens in space where there is almost no friction? In space, with almost no friction, in space, with no air resistance or friction, and the object will keep moving forever at the same speed and direction.
Ready for my greatest and most dangerous experiment yet! Today we're doing my greatest experiment yet. This is going to be epic. Let's do this! Bah! Watch it! Ah! Ah!
Ah! This bad Galtenberg's first fall of fraction. Scientists now belonging Steve Stackey's general scope range. And now, it's time to cap everything we've learned about Newton's first law.
Hello, my brilliant young geniuses. We've reached the final episode of our journey through Newton's first law. Today we'll remember everything we've learned together. Let's quickly remember what we've discovered. And know with spice then see.
We've traveled a long way together, my young geniuses. From simple apples to the vastness of space.
Thank you for watching, my young geniuses. If you enjoyed learning Newton's first law, please hit like and subscribe. Stay curious. See you in the next adventure.